Hello from the radio workshop. I'm Ray, G4NSJ. This is tickling me. I can't speak with this on. Happy Christmas, everyone. Happy Christmas. That's better. I had to take that off. Anyway, okay, all the radio workshop members, happy Christmas to you. And as I say every year, without you, the members area wouldn't exist, obviously. So that's great. Thank you for joining and all the stuff you've sent in, pictures and bits and pieces over the year. It's fantastic. Thank you also for all my amateur radio subscribers, G4NSJ on YouTube. Thank you for subscribing. I think, how many subscribers now? I think on the amateur radio one, I can't remember. It's over 16,000, so it's fantastic. Happy Christmas to you. I'm hoping next year to bring you a load of interesting stuff, and or not interesting, depending on which way you look at it. Look at this. I mean, this is good, but it's all... I can't wear that. I was made to wear it. Look, and I've got this. This lights up. So I don't know. There we are. That's it, in the Christmas spirit. So yeah, happy Christmas to everyone. Thanks for the all the subscriptions on YouTube. Fantastic. Thank you for all the members on the members area of the Radio Workshop site. I should be adding a lot more to the amateur radio site this year, or next year I should say, 2023. That's g4nsj.co.uk. Try to spread out a little bit. I've got radio sonde, weather balloon stuff on there and all sorts, all linked with kind of radio interest. Anyway, there we are. Don't forget, on Christmas Day, have a listen around medium wave AM. Because that's when all the pirates come out. Christmas Day, isn't it? Not me, of course. Stone the crows. Dread the thought, perish the thought. But illegal transmissions from the Radio Workshop? Certainly not. Where is my medium wave transmitter? Oh, I've put it away. No, seriously, have a tune round Christmas Day on medium wave, the AM band, as you call it in America. See what you can hear. I'm going to have a listen. We've got a local FM pirate station that... I don't know, basically relaying some internet station. Like, is it UK base? They're on, what are they on? 87.5 megs. They seem to be there all the time. The transmitter must be local. I can pick it up without an aerial. But anyway, enough of illegal activities. Stone the crows. Last thing we want, isn't it, on Christmas Day? Or not. In the old days, because Christmas Day was Sundays. Back in the 60s, the 70s. Pirates everywhere. Absolutely amazing. Right, now I mustn't incite illegal activity, must I? I'll shut up now and leave you in peace. Have a great day. Let's hope 2023 is a better year. We've had, 2 or 3 years of COVID. We've got the cost of living crisis and all that. We've got strikes everywhere. Plus it's been freezing cold. Let's hope it's a good year for everyone in the world, no matter who or where you are. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.